What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Lizzy from the Murder Drones. Let's begin today's lesson on the top of our page with the hair. So we're going to start right in the middle. Let's start with that first curl that comes down and out towards the left. I want to bend this back out towards the right, up, and then back in. Let's layer the left side in behind. So we're going to start along the side, come down, round this out, and pull that up. Let's go all the way over towards the right side and do the same thing. Coming down, and then up. Let's go back to the left side. I'm just going to curve this down and then up. We're going to go across the base of the hat, bend this across and then down towards the right. Then we're just going to bend this out towards the tip. Let's place the hat on top of the hair, starting over on the left side, bend this up, go across, and then back down. Now I want to add that trim across the base of the hat. So we're going to leave a gap, follow that same curve from left to right. Let's go up with a short line. And bend this out and then down. Now we're going to go back and leave a gap, draw a short line going up towards the top. And then following that same curve, going across and then back down. Let's move back down. We're just going to follow this curve, adding a trim going out towards the side of the hat. Let's go to the top of the hat, draw two short angle lines coming down and in. Now let's place the ears on top of the hat. Starting from this point, bend the ear going up and then out. Curve this out around the ear and then back in towards the side of the head. Now I want to trace the ears along the outside. So starting on the left, going up toward the top, come in and then back down. Now we move back to the center and draw two large ovals for the eyes tucked in underneath the hair. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting inside, come in between, come down towards the bottom, go back up towards the top. Let's go all the way over towards the right side, come down towards the same height, go around and then up. Let's go out to the side. We're just going to add some hair, coming down and in. You want to add a point, going out and then up. Let's move down, add another point coming down and in. And go all the way around the outside and then bend that back in underneath. Now we're going to go towards the left side. Let's draw the bottom of the head. We're going to curve this down, across the middle, and then back up. Now let's move over toward the left side. We're going to add a curve for the mouth, coming down and then in towards the center. Let's draw the edge of the mask, starting back on the left, go this down underneath the eye, and then up in the middle. Just going to round this out, come down underneath the right eye, and back up towards the hair. Now in the middle, we're going to draw two lines coming down the side of the neck, close out the bottom with a curve. From the base of the neck, let's curve the body. We're going to go out toward the left, and then back in. Do the same thing on the right. And connect the bottom with a curve going up and then down. Now I'm going to add some detail to the body. Starting back over on the left, come down and bend that up. In the center, we're going to add a point, coming down and then up. From the base of the neck, we're going to draw a half oval, coming down and up. Move out to the side, bend this down and out. Let's add a point in the center. Now let's go back down to these 2 points. We're going to curve the hips, coming down and out. And again, just connect the ends with a curve. From the hips, draw the edge of the skirt, going out and then down. Let's connect the bottom with another curve. Let's go up to the top and add a thick trim from left to right. Now I'm going to go all the way back up towards the top and draw 2 circles tucked in towards the side of the body. Let's start on the top left, all the way around, and then in. And then from the outside of that circle, we're going to draw 2 straight angle lines coming across the arm. Let's start with the top, coming down and out. Line that up on the right side. Now we want to round up the end and angle that back in towards the side. Let's add a trim in the center of the arm with 2 curves. Let's go to the inside point, bend the arm coming down and in towards the wrist. Let's go to the top, just going to bend this around and then back in. Let's flatten off the wrist with a curve. And I want to do the same thing on the right. Starting from this point, bend the arm coming down and in, go to the outside, go all the way around the outside of the arm, and in towards the wrist, and we'll just close this off. From the top of the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle going up and then down for the thumb, angle us in towards the hip. Let's go to the bottom of the wrist, curve the hand, coming down and then in. Let's go back to the inside of the forearm. We're going to add some texture. Starting from the left side, curve this up and in. We're going to repeat this curve, going all the way up toward the top of the elbow. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to go to the base of the thumb, draw a straight angle line coming across the knuckles, and we'll separate the fingers with 2 angled lines. On the back of the hand, let's add a small triangle pointing in. Now before we get into the legs, let's move back up and draw those 2 ribbons along the side of the head. Let's start on the left, coming down and out. Now we're going to add a point, going up and then down. Curve that back up underneath the head. Now we can tuck the legs in underneath, leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and then down towards the ankle on both sides. Let's round out the base of the leg, coming down and up. And we'll follow that curve, going back up and then in underneath. Let's go to the inside of the ankle, curve the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. And then we'll round out the feet, starting from the left side, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, curve the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Now we're going to go back to the outside of the ankle, bend this out and then down in behind. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And then we're going to add that same texture across the legs, starting from the bottom, and just working our way up. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Lizzy from the Murder Drones. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day. We're all trying how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.